Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Putu Susrini with student number 181-202-1120 from 5th class. Today, I would like to explain about the strategy in teaching writing skills. So to get more information about this, let's watch my video. As we know that writing is one of the language skills, which is the ability that related to the activity expressing ideas through written words. So writing skills is very important for us to foster communication and develop our thinking skills. So the main objective in teaching writing is to develop students' written expression of thought and provide the opportunities for students to explore their ideas. So in teaching writing, the teacher needs to be creative in creating an effective teaching strategy for the students in the class. One of the teaching strategy is infographic strategy. Infographic strategy is the teaching strategy that uses collection of imagery and minimal text that can make easy for the students to develop the important point of the text they will create it. This strategy is adapted from mind mapping strategy, which has similarities in the way it is implemented. Infographic strategy is very suitable to use to teach writing about narrative text for 12th grade students in senior high school. The theory that is relevant to this strategy is project-based learning. So project-based learning is an instructional methodology that encourages students to learn by applying knowledge and skills through their experience. So this strategy is relevant to project-based learning because infographic strategy can help the students in creating a narrative text in their project. So how to implement infographic strategy in the class? First, as a teacher, we need to determine the topic or the type of narrative text that students will make. For example, we can tell the students to create a narrative text about fable. Second, ask the students to prepare a text outline corresponding to the elements of narrative text. Third, ask the students to make an infographic by using PowerPoint. So, the infographic including a text outline they had created, and the student should make an interesting infographic that can imagine the story being told by adding pictures, animation, illustration, or charts that also can make it easier for the students to develop their ideas before creating an original text. Fourth, ask the students to collect their infographic to know the progress of the students in developing their ideas. And the fifth, the students began to write their narrative text independently by developing the infographic they had made, and also the students need to collect it for the teacher, and the teacher start to assess it. So that is the way to implement infographic strategy in the class. It's very simple, right? Do you know the strengths and also the limitation of infographic strategy? For the strengths, infographic strategy has several strengths that give the advantage for the students. The first, students will find it easier to develop their ideas in creating a narrative text because infographic accompanied with illustration or pictures that can imagine the text they will make. And then, the students will find it easier to remember the important point of the text because they have summarized it in a text outline. And also, the students can increase their creativity in expressing their writing skills. And then, about the limitation, the students who do not have good technological skills will find it difficult to make an interesting infographic and applying the PowerPoint. So to solve this problem, the teacher needs to monitoring the students in the process of writing. So if the students face some difficulties, the teacher can help them and they can make a good writing. So I think that's all for my video explanation about infographic strategy. I hope that infographic strategy can be applied by the teacher in the class, and this video can be beneficial for us. Thank you for watching my video, and see you.